Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today we have another Nike unboxing. These here are the Nike Familia Air Pegasus 40. These are super cool. I was really going for the Air Max 1, which I also have a video for as well. But these were something that I saw and I thought they were cool. I figured it could be like an everyday shoe, but I really was gunning for the Air Max 1. When I was able to get these as well, I went ahead and got them, and now I kind of like these a little bit more. But taking a look at the box here, it's really cool. You get a bunch of different details on there. Super nice. And I saw a lot of sneaker articles saying that this was kind of correlating to Day of the Dead, but it's more for Latino Heritage Month, I want to say, because there's not really anything that I see on here that's for Day of the Dead besides like the colors really. But when you open up the box here, you have the Nike logo and it says Familia 23. You also get greeted with this bag, which is super cool. Sneakers didn't really kind of show this bag off at all. I was kind of surprised when these came in, but it's really heavy duty and nice. You get this stitched in logo right here, and then on the back it says Familia 23 as well. So this is like something you could use if your stores that you go shopping at don't provide bags or anything like that. You could definitely use this. It's super heavy duty. And then looking here in the box, you get some nice paper on here that says Familia 23 all over it. Super cool. And you're actually double wrapped on these, so lots of paper, but then you're greeted with the shoes right here. Now here's the Pegasus 40. Really cool. I like all the details on here. The Air Max 1 has tons of details, but I think that the details on here are a little bit cooler. This swoosh here kind of has like this camo going through it, which is really nice. And then you get all this different embroidery detail on here, which is super cool. I really like this toe box right here. I think that's really nice. And then it's more of like a white with like a pink under. So it looks really cool. Here on the top of the tongue, it says Familia 23. On the back here, you get the F with the Nike logo. Lots of the different details on here, and then a really nice outsole. It's like a brown and turquoise. The insoles on these are removable. The one on the Air Max 1 was not, but this is what it looks like. It says Familia, and it has the Familia 23 all over the insole. And yeah, overall, I think, in my opinion, I like these a little bit more than the Air Max 1s. The Air Max 1s are really nice, don't get me wrong, but I feel like for my style, I go more towards like a runner, and I think these are going to be more like an everyday shoe for me, and they're just really cool with all the details that they have on it. I really do like these. So overall, I feel like Nike did a really good job with the Latino Heritage Month. They got these, the Air Max 1s, both of them super dope. Really happy I was able to pick up both of them, and these are both going to stay in the collection, and these are going to get a lot of wear. Just really happy with the way these are. I think these, hands down, are the best in the pack, even though the Air Max 1s are going for a little bit more. I just checked StockX right now, and they're going for a little bit more, but I do think that the Pegasus 40 is the better one. I also tried to get a pair for my mom, but they sold out really quick, and it doesn't look like anywhere else released these besides Nike. I know like Undefeated did the Air Max 1, a few different places did the Air Max 1, but for the Pegasus 40, it looks like it was just Nike. Hey, but that is going to be it for this one. Just wanted to show you guys my new pickup. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all next time.